Welcome.
Welcome.
Okay, what are we gonna play today? With
With
your register.
register.
Okay, you're gonna show us how to play?
Yeah.
Okay. So what do we have here?
We'll see.
Okay, we have, there's a turn on button. Okay, so these are numbers. Right, Allie? What else? This is to clear. Cool, you cannot really tell, but and this button. Your money?
Yeah.
That's your money?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yours.
Mine?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll put mine later, okay?
Okay. Right there.
Close it. Okay, and what is this?
What's it?
This is to scan.
Scan.
To scan the food.
Scan the food.
Yes. And then this is, I guess, to put the food. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, we have milk. This milk. We have chicken. This is chicken. What is that, Allie? This is soup. Okay.
Apples?
What else?
Pottery lost.
Lemon juice?
Yeah. What is
Okay.
that?
And this is fish.
This is
Fish. And then we have a little basket to put our groceries. Okay?
Okay.
So that's our food, our register. You singing?
Yeah.
Can you sing again?
Yeah. Let's go shopping. Let's go shopping. Let's go shopping.
Thank you for the song. Hi, George. You're going to shop today?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we're going to get ready to see what's new in the store.
Yay.
Yay. Okay. Okay, George has his basket and he's gonna shop today. What are we gonna get today, George? I want chicken, okay? Can I get chicken and put it in my basket?
Yeah.
Put it in my basket.
Okay. Basket.
Yes. Okay, and can I get some milk? Good job. You forgot to scan the chicken. Scan the chicken. Good job. And George would like some soup. This one. Thank you. How much would that be today, Mrs. Allie? How much is going to cost me? $1?
Yeah.
No, George is going to give you $1.
Thank you.
Okay, that's going to be $1. And this is 5 cents. Texas. Thank you. Thank you, Allie.
Welcome.
Can I get my food?
Yeah.
Thank you, Mrs. Allie.
Welcome to the alley.
Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi, Elmo.
Elmo.
Now today is Elmo's turn to shop.
Okay.
Okay, what are we gonna get today, Elmo?
Juice.
Okay, Elmo, what do you want today? You want some milk. Mrs. Allie, can you get him some milk?
Okay.
Okay, and some juice and some soup. He wants this one. Now Elmo wants chicken.
Chicken.
Yes. Okay, put it in the basket, please. Okay. So now Elmo's gonna pay Mrs. Allie.
Wait, mommy.
Okay, here. Mr. Elmo's gonna pay.
Thank you.
He's gonna pay your food.
I skin it.
Yeah, you scanned his card.
Horse keys.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Can I have my basket?
Basket? Yeah, okay. Here.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.